Hey guys, this is Bat Gaming here. So today, I haven't really done a vacuum video in a while. So today, I'm gonna do a video of me vacuuming the bedroom with the Eureka, the Boss Smart Vac. I haven't really used this vacuum a bit, quite a while. Um, so yeah. Now before I do this video, I just want to say, um, for all of you guys who is spamming the comments like wanna be friends, blah blah blah. That needs to stop because like you are like almost blowing up my phone with those comments that are annoying, and that really's gotta stop. So yeah, like I mean you guys are literally spamming in the comments like over 24/7. So that really needs to stop and really needs to quit. So like you really need to stop spamming. I don't care who you are or whatever. I just don't care. You really need to stop spamming. So yeah, if I see another comment, if I see the same comment that says "want to be friends," not only I will report or block you, I am gonna disable the comments so you will not be able to comment in my videos. So yeah, and so that's what I'm about to do. I will disable the comments so you will not be comment in one of my videos. So yeah, so without further ado, I'll go ahead and vacuum with this thing. I know I haven't vacuumed this room in a while, so go ahead and set you guys down. I know I didn't bring my tripod, but oh well. I don't feel like bringing the tripod here. Alright. So as you guys saw on the last video, I did vacuum lesson. I replaced the bag on this. So yeah, and that Febreze bag is a bit dusty and dirty, but who knows what. Just gonna put it on high. Alright, so here we go. chair just hurt my toe. My brother just bought that chair, I don't know why. But continue. Move some of that stuff out the way. I'm gonna take a little pause here. Alright, so I'm back. I had a vacuum over here on the side, but it's just a bit of a pain in the butt to move all this crap. Anyways, I don't know if it didn't really pick up that much dirt, but yes, you guys could see. Yeah, it didn't really pick up a lot, but who knows? And also, this one did a good job. And surprisingly, I haven't ran it in a while back. Or is it? I don't know, but so yeah, and I really like this thing. I might be doing an update on this pretty soon, hopefully. I don't know when. And I might do some more updates on some of the other vacuums. So yeah, so thank you for watching. And like I said before, please don't spam in my comments. Like, if I see the exact same comment, like, wanna be friends, like I said, not only I'm gonna report or block you, I will disable. So, if you could just stop spamming and be nice, be cool, I will enable the comments again. I don't know when. So yeah, if it keeps this up, I am gonna disable. So I'm not sorry about that. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And no more spamming. So yeah. And yeah, so see y'all later. Peace.